Hey lovelies, Sandra Ivy Rose here. Welcome to my channel. Hey guys, I'm so excited to share this project with you this week. We're going to be starting out by using this Target frame, and we're going to be also using these fairy lights I got from Amazon. All the links will be down in the description box below. And we're going to remove the screen out of the frame, and we're going to use the hot glue to apply the fairy light onto the frame. And now, I don't know what happened to the clip, but I'm using these ribbons I got from Amazon. And what I did was apply it in the inner rim of the frame and the outer rim of the frame. And I used two different types of ribbon. And I'll link them in the description box. And this ribbon, so beautiful. And I will align the perimeter of the frame with this ribbon. And you'll get to see that in the video. Hey lovelies, I hope you're having a lovely day. I'm just checking in on you guys to see how you guys doing. I hope everybody's keeping safe and healthy out there. And I wish you guys many blessings. And I also want to thank you so very much for supporting my channel and showing me love and kindness. I really do appreciate it. And if it's your first time here, well, thank you for stopping by. And if you are into high-end DIY projects, please consider subscribing to my channel. I make weekly videos, and if you enjoy my content, give me a thumbs up. It tells me that you enjoy it and to continue to make more for you guys. And please share with your family and friends. And all my returning subscribers, thank you always for watching my videos. And on the back here, I'm just using some bling rhinestones because that will show when I finish the project. So to give it a little bit more blingy effect. And now we're going to be using these diamond mirrors and a permanent glue, the 527, and a little bit of hot glue. And you're going to see the pattern I create just to give it a little bit more oomph. All right. All right, so on the frame, I'm going to be applying these little diamond studs, gems, and I'm using the 527 glue just to make sure that they stay permanently onto the plastic glass. And you just create any pattern however you see fit. All right. All right, so for the bottom part of our project, we're going to be using these Dollar Tree wooden boxes. And right here, I'm applying some hot glue to glue it together. But you can use wood glue, and I think that'll be a better option just to make sure that it stays more permanently. Okay, so we're going to be using the same type of ribbon that I used previously on the top part of our project. And these ribbons have very good adhesion, so we're going to just apply it onto our box, just like so. My tip for you guys is to paint before you apply the mirrors, because it's much harder, and you know, I struggle a little bit to paint after the fact, and you'll see what I mean in the video. Okay, so now we're going to paint. I end up switching out this paint, the acrylic paint, to chalk paint. The Waverly one I end up using instead because I couldn't open the other one somehow. But anyway, so we're going to paint the outer perimeter of the box with the white. And then we're going to go over it with the metallic white pearl paint to give it a little bit extraness. So you see what I mean? If I had painted the middle part first, I wouldn't have this difficulty trying to paint in between these little mirrors. It'll just will be easier for me. Okay, so I'm going to be using Glossy Mod Podge and Iridescent glitter on the plastic glass to give it I guess a blingy effect. I'm not sure exactly, but it's gonna look nice. You'll see in the end. So the final step is to hot glue the top part onto the bottom part, and then we're going to decorate it, and you'll see. All right, guys, stay tuned for the big reveal. All right, guys, I think this came out so pretty and so beautiful. Well, let me know what you guys think. This will make a great gift for Mother's Day, any occasion for that matter. And then comment down below if you enjoy this week's video. And make sure you share with your family and friends. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting on? I have more to show you guys. I try to upload every week videos for you. And if you enjoy my content, give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel a lot. All right, guys. Well, thank you so very much for watching. I have other videos on the channel. As you can see in the background, I have other projects and DIYs I've created. So you can check out those videos if you like. Well, thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.